In a world that often pushes us to chase, to prove, to perform, I found myself asking, what if the real power lies in pausing, in listening, in reconnecting? My new book, Lead From Within, is an invitation to come back to yourself, to lead with self-awareness, not just strategy, to measure growth by alignment, not just achievement. Inside these pages, I've shared the lessons, the stories, the shifts, and the exercises that have helped me to navigate leadership, life, and everything in between with more clarity, compassion, and courage. If you're seeking depth over hustle, presence over perfection, and purpose over pressure, then this is for you.